Hi friends, many of you have been asking me to make a video on the cookware I use. In this video I am going to show all the steel cookware I use which are induction compatible and dishwasher safe. I have quite a few brands of cookware in my kitchen. I'll be covering those which I use regularly and give my verdict in the end. I've also mentioned where I purchased these and I've given the buying link in the description below. So please watch till the end. Before I begin, one request to my viewers. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get updates on my future videos. The very first brand I would like to show is Prestige, because that is the oldest brand which I've been using. Though I had plenty of products, these are the three Prestige brand cookware which I'm using at present. This is a 4-liter induction cooker which I've been using for the past 6 years. It's suitable for gas and induction. I use this cooker daily as it is perfect for a family of 3 to 4. I used to cook rice and dal or rice dal vegetables with separators. I also use it directly to make one-pot meals. I have shared the link of the videos in the suggestion. Handle of the cooker occupies space in the dishwasher, but the cleaning is good except if there is a stubborn stain inside. It can be washed in any program cycle. The next is the Prestige SS KADAI, which I have been using for the past 6 years. You can see its diameter 22 centimeters and 0.6 mm thick, 1.7 liter capacity. It's quite a thick bottom, and it is good for making curries, gravies and some frying, because it's not quite deep. It's not ideal for deep frying. This KADAI can be washed in any program cycle in the dishwasher, and it comes out to clean most of the time. If there are some stains remaining, you may have to scrub it under running water immediately after wash. Because this KADAI has handles, it occupies more space on the tray. So you have to take care that these handles don't project outside the tray and touch the walls. So you have to take care while placing it in the dishwasher such that both the handles are inside the wash tray. This is one more stainless steel pressure cooker from Prestige, which I have been using much before my induction. It must be 10-12 years old. Though it is not induction friendly, I still use it on the induction as it is flat and thick bottomed. I use it for cooking a small amount of rice and dal using separators, and I have to keep a grid below. It gets cleaned very well in the dishwasher. I bought all these Prestige brand cookware and in the shops only. Ever since I started using the dishwasher, I had to make a conscious effort of shifting from aluminum to steel, especially the aluminum KADAIs which I had. I already had got rid of my aluminum cookers because they were very old, and I was already using steel cookers. Because of the ease with which steel gets cleaned in dishwasher, steel can be washed in any program cycle. Aluminum gets discolored in high temperature cycle, and that is how my Venod brand cookware collection started. So my very first Venod cookware I purchased from Home Center. It was a set of 3 cookware, but they were non-induction based. So I'll be showing that in the end. Now I'll show only the induction cookware which I'm using regularly. So these are the Venod brand induction based cookware which I'm using now regularly, about which I'll be talking. And all of them I bought from Amazon, except this saucepan which I purchased from Home Center along with those 3 non-induction cookware. There are a few common points in all these cookware which I would like to show. One of that being the glass lid which they provide with all the cookware. You see this, even this tiny cooker to the saucepan to the KADAIs, everything has got a glass lid with a steam vent. It helps in cooking very fast, and also it retains nutrients. And also another point which is common is the sandwich bottom. A layer of aluminum sandwiched between 2 layers of steel, which makes the bottom very thick. That is how it helps food not getting stuck to the bottom and not getting burnt, whether it is boiling milk or any cooking or anything in the KADAI. Ideal for roasting, frying, cooking because of this sandwich bottom. It helps in even cooking. So now I'll show one by one. This is a 1.5 liter cute Venod cooker. This is a 2-year-old cooker which I'm using regularly. can see it is sandwich bottomed and it is induction based. Good for cooking vegetables, dal directly, or a little bit of rice in small quantities. I've shown making of rice directly using this cooker in one of my videos, and this also comes with a glass lid, as I've told you. So whenever I use it with a glass lid, I can use it as an ordinary pan for non-pressure cooking. So I like this cooker very much, and because it's small, it fits anywhere in the dishwasher and it comes out very clean. These are the two stainless steel induction bottom Venod KADAI which I'm using regularly. You can see they come with a glass lid. They are 1.5 liters and 2 liters capacity. One is 18 centimeter diameter and another is 20 centimeters. You get them in other sizes as well. As you can see, they are dishwasher safe. They mentioned it as well. And they are sandwich bottomed. And I use it regularly for making my dry curries and roast curries, gravies, cooking dals. It's all very convenient for that and fast and easy to cook. So I use for deep frying chaklis or papads, puris, vadas and many other fried items. Food particles don't stick on these because of this sandwich bottom, as I've told earlier, and that is why even cleaning becomes easier, whether hand wash or in the dishwasher. I try to use it in the induction only because of the temperature control function in the induction. You can adjust the temperature of the oil, and that's why even when you do frying and there are no yellow or brown stains left over, and cleaning is very effective in the dishwasher. The only problem is with the handle. Even if there are stubborn stains formed in the kadai because of too much or prolonged frying or roasting, those can be cleaned very well in the high temperature long program cycle in the dishwasher. That is the advantage of using these steel kadais. I have shown some cookery recipes in my channel using these Venod kadais. You can check them out in the suggestion or in the end card, or even in the description I have mentioned below. This is an induction based saucepan which I bought from Home Center. Again, sandwich bottomed, dishwasher safe. I use it regularly for boiling milk. I'll show the boiling of milk now using this. I'm boiling 1 liter milk here. I find this saucepan perfect for boiling 1 liter milk and I use it daily. I love this milk pan because it just comes out totally shining clean when washed in the dishwasher, and that too in any program cycle. There is one more set of induction based cookware. Those are the two tall belly casseroles which I bought from Amazon last year. 18 centimeters and 16 centimeters diameter. You can see it is induction based, and finish and everything is perfect. It's got two handles, but it's not as strong as the other ones which I showed, but I'm not happy with it. In less than a year I have spotted some cracks in the side. Looks like the steel gauge is not quite thick. So coming to my very first purchase of Venod brand cookware, a set of 3 non-induction cookware, but here there are only 2 because it was a set of 3. This one container and another one smaller than this, same type, and a saucepan. This saucepan I use sparingly because it's not induction based, and this one is on the verge of going. The smaller one I have already disposed because the bottom peeled off. The handles are very good, the finish, steel, everything is good. If the bottom had been similar to those sandwich bottom, this would have lasted longer, and it is not induction based. So I'm not quite happy about this, though it's a Venod brand. During my recent visit to Chennai, I went ahead and bought a few more Venod utensils in a shop. I mainly bought it because it was very affordably priced. They are also induction friendly and sandwich bottomed, but I have not yet started using them. This is a butterfly 3 liter curved Handi SS cooker. I bought it from Big Bazaar more than a year ago when there was a sale, and I got it for less than half the price. It's called curved SS. Though Butterfly is a very popular brand in the south, especially Tamil Nadu, this is my first ever Butterfly purchase. I've seen my grandmother use a lot of Butterfly products in my childhood. Price is what attracted me into buying this cooker. This is ideal for cooking small quantities. This bottom has got a peel-proof induction base, and it is quite thick, and that is why the cooking is very fast, and it is convenient for both direct and cooking with separators. If you want to cook 1 or 2 items, you need a proper container to place inside that. This container fits inside it perfectly. I can keep 1.5 cups of rice in this and around 1/3 to half cup of dal, and I'm able to close it comfortably and cook in that. And cooking is very fast. It just takes 10 to 12 minutes to cook this much quantity. It cleans wonderfully well in dishwasher. I have shown making of khichdi and spicy vegetable rice using this butterfly cooker in my earlier cookery videos. These utensils are a few more which I bought from D-Mart, as they were very affordably priced and of good quality, and you can see they are quite sturdy. Not sandwich bottom or anything, but because they are flat and quite thick, it can be used on induction. So it gets perfectly cleaned in the dishwasher, and one advantage is because there's no handle, it occupies very little space in the dishwasher, so you can keep more on the tray. One last steel cookware which I would like to share with you all is my very old idli cooker. You can see there are no handles. The vessel is dented. It's a idli cooker with 5 plates. I can make 20 idlis at a time. It is steel, and the bottom is anything but flat. But in spite of that, it works on my induction, and that is why I use it. It cleans well in dishwasher. Other than the cookware which I have shown now, I have few more other cookware which I use on gas, and I have shown washing these cookware in dishwasher in many of my dishwasher demo videos. Finally, I conclude that based on the cookware I have shown, the Venod brand sandwich bottom cookware are the best among the lot in terms of cooking, cleaning and efficiency. I hope you found my video informative, useful and helpful. If you liked my video, please don't forget to share with your friends. Please keep looking out for more such interesting videos from my channel. Thank you for watching. Till I see you all in my next video, it's bye bye from me, Bhuvana.